Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakob right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to enable your graphics card usage in Camtasia video editing software for seamlessly video editing workflow. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Camtasia video editing software. Having opened up your Camtasia video editing software, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, go to editing tab. Then from edit tab, you have to come down below right here, and then where you see preferences right here, or you press Ctrl plus in your keyboard, then preferences button, your preferences window is going to pop up. So I'm going to simply click on preferences, and here we go. The preferences window is here. Now, for you to choose your PC graphics card for seamlessly video editing workflow, what you need to do is to go to Advanced tab. So it take you right here. Then the next thing you want to do, so by default, use graphics card, Microsoft Basic Render Driver. So in this regard, I'm going to simply click up here, and I'm going to choose my PC recommended graphics card, which is 5500 HD graphics. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then having select on that, next thing you want to do is to keep the setting safe. So for you to do that, just drag your preference setting window to the top, then come down below right here and simply hit on OK. Boom, it's as simple as that. So each time you are working with your Camtasia video editing workflow, everything works smoothly for you because you are using the dedicated graphics card for your Windows PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable your graphics card usage for your Camtasia video editing software for easy workflow. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.